Hello everyone, welcome back to scihiinfo. So today we are going to explain a very important recruitment notification released by the Institute of Forensic Genetics and Tree Breeding Coimbatore, which is also known as IFGTB. The institute is under the Indian Council of Forestry Research and Education, or ICFRE, which is an autonomous body under the Ministry of Environment and Forest by Government of India. The notification is advertisement number 01 bar 2025 bar ICFRE IFGTB bar GPF, and the applications are invited for various project based positions, which includes research associate grade 1, project associate grade 1, junior project fellow, and project assistant. All of these posts are purely temporary and contractual, tied to different research projects running at the IFGTB departments, various departments in the IFGTB. So let's look at the nature of these posts. So these are not permanent jobs, just like I mentioned, but the project linked positions. So which means that the tenure will depend on the duration and requirement of the specific research project and the role. Okay, so once the project ends, the appointment also will end. So someone may think, what's the benefit? However, such positions provide excellent exposure to the research, fieldwork, and academic projects, which can highly beneficial for the candidates aiming for higher studies, PhD, or long-term research career. So this is a great opportunity for those who are interested in such fields and opportunities. Then there are a lot of details provided in this particular notification, so we will briefly go through every details of this notification regarding each and every post mentioned in this. So moving to the qualifications and eligibility for each of the posts, the educational requirement varies depending on the post. For higher level posts like a research associate grade 1, the candidates are usually expected to have a PhD in the relevant subject such as forestry, botany, life sciences, environmental sciences, or biotechnology. But for project associate grade 1, a postgraduate degree in similar or relevant field is required or is sufficient. And also for the posts like junior project fellow and project assistant, a postgraduate and a graduate qualifications are sufficient or essential, respectively, are considered. Okay, so note the qualifications for each of the posts. So for research associate 1 or research associate grade 1 post, the candidates are expected to have a PhD in the relevant field. For project associate 1, postgraduate degree is required. For a junior project fellow or project assistant, the required qualifications are a postgraduate or graduate degree respectively. In addition, certain projects may require NET qualification or DVT BET qualification or GATE scores, which should be mentioned in the application form. So the exact details for each project, including subject specialization, will be available in the list of projects on the official IFGTB website. So you can check the list, and the link will be provided in the description box. Then coming to the age limits of the candidates who are willing to apply for this particular post, the maximum age would vary depending on the post category. But as per the application form, age will be calculated as on the closing date of the application, which is 31st August 2025. So the candidates belonging to SC, ST, OBC, and person with benchmark disability categories may get relaxation as per the Government of India norms and rules, provided they produce a valid certificate under the required circumstances. Okay, then there are emoluments and salaries for the particular post mentioned in the notification, although the notification doesn't give exact figures based on the standard ICFRE norms. So the research associate grade 1 would generally gets around 47,000 per month plus HRI, and the project associate 1 position would be provided with around 25,000 to 31,000 per month, depending on the qualification and net eligibility status. For the junior project fellow, the normally paid amount is 20,000 to 23,000 per month, and for project association it would be 19,000 to 20,000 rupees per month. And these figures that we have just mentioned or just discussed are based on the previous recruitment on the ICFRE, IFGTB, various department based projects. So the exact figure for each positions mentioned in this particular notifications are given in the respective corresponding columns. So you can go through the notification and the link will be provided in the description box, and you can know more about the positions as well as their related field of investigation and etc. So briefly coming to the application process for this particular posts, the candidates have to apply online only through the official website of the ICFRE IFGTB, that is ifgtb.icfre.government.in. The link will be provided in the description box. You can directly access the page from the description box itself. The application performer provided with the notification must be filled carefully, that you can see on the last two pages of this particular notification. There is an application performer provided along with this notification, and the candidate will be required to enter the advertisement number of this particular notification, then the post you are applying for, and the name of the project you are applying for. Then also you must provide your personal details such as full name in capital letters, then father's name, date of birth, Aadhaar number, gender, marital status and category, whatever, etc, etc, which is asked in the performer of the advertisement. So you need to fill the form carefully. Then you also need to enter both your present and permanent address along with the mobile number and email ID for the corresponding follow-up and as well as the communication from your side as well as from their sides. If you're getting selected and all that, that would be greatly helpful for you. Then the educational qualification section of the form is very detailed, so you have to provide your SSLC, then HSC or a +2, then a graduation, post graduation, PhD, any additional qualification like NET, GATE or DBT BET along with the years of passing, division or percentage of marks and specialization. Then you must also mention whether you are already receiving any scholarships, grants, fellowships, etc from any other agencies. So if you are under contractual obligation with any government or public sector organization, you must provide those details and attach the NOC or no objection certificate also if required. So the advertisement performer is very detailed, so you have to fill each and every details very carefully. Basically you have to provide all the personal as well as your qualification based details on this form. So please be careful while filling the notification. And also the candidates are asked to list their previous research experience, if you are having any. Also you can include the details of your publications, language proficiency and other relevant information in not more than 50 words, which is also asked in the form. And the form also asks for the names and addresses of two references who have known for you at least 2 years. And also the candidates must attach a passport size photograph and sign the declaration and ensure all the information is accurate, just like any other performer. Then just look at the documents required. So you must attach your SSLC or 10th mark sheet for the proof of age, then a degree certificate for educational qualifications, community or a person with a benchmark disability certificate for the category and age relaxation if you are applying for and if is applicable for you, then if experience certificates if you are having any, then any fellowship or scholarship based certificates if claimed by you. So application without proper documents will not be considered as any other applications. All the documents and criteria asked in the notification itself should be fulfilled. And some important conditions or informations to be noted, which are the posts are project specific and purely temporary, and they do not provide any claim for the permanent absorption into ICFRE or IFGTB, which is clearly mentioned. Then candidates may not hold a dual fellowship. So if you're already receiving a fellowship, you must declare it in the application itself. The institute also reserves the right to reject incomplete applications or disqualify candidates found to be giving false informations. Then coming to the important dates regarding the application recruitment and all that, the last date for the online application and submission is 31st August 2025. So the candidates must ensure that they apply before the deadline, as the late applications will not be accepted after 31st August 2025, and age will also be calculated on the basis of the submission of your application. So if you're interested, go for the application as soon as possible. So I hope this was a complete and detailed explanation of the ICFRE-IFGTB recruitment notification 2025 under the advertisement number 01/2025. So this is a great opportunity for the candidates with research aspirations in forestry, genetics, tree breeding, environmental sciences, and related fields. So the post of research associate, project associate, junior project fellow, and project assistants provide excellent training and experience for the future career development as well as your academic growth. So if you are eligible and if you are really interested, apply online through the official IFGTB website before 31st August 2025, and we have provided the official link and notification details in the description box, so do check it out. So that's all for the today's video. So if you found this information helpful, please give this video a like and share it with your friends. And if you have any doubts or questions regarding these notifications or recruitment to the ICFRE-IFGTB, drop your questions below in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more updates on government and research job opportunities and also internship opportunities. So thank you for watching and best of luck with your applications.